I'm getting spray rails on this morning. Well, actually, just this last one on this morning. All right, so now let's unscrew it. That'll take the pressure off these screws up here a little bit. Make them come out easier. Okay. The spray rail I made out of oak, and I used a 4.5-inch grinder, and I rounded the inside a little bit, and that helps a lot with it fitting against the hull. So even though the hull is pretty flat up forward here, as you go further aft it does start to round up a little bit, and even though it's flat, having this concave area on the spray rail just makes it a lot easier to fit it in there. The spray rail will lay on the boat really nice, and the edges will be tight to the hull,